Welcome back. We're solving another problem, 7.55. So the problem is asking for the angular momentum, and they've given you a couple different things. So they've given you the body of the mass, the radius, as well as the time period. So first thing, usually what you want to do is whatever you're being asked for to see if you can easily search for it. And in this case, we can. We have angular momentum. And so when you search for it, we're given two equations. Now, they're very distinct because the first one just deals with the particle definition, and the second one is just the rigid body definition. For this case, we're going to be using the second one, which is I naught times angular velocity, as we've been given angular velocity or angular momentum, so kind of hints to it. Also, the curved path is a big indicator as well. What we need to know is the definitions for these two. So for I, we have mr squared, and then for W, or angular velocity, we have v over r. And these two are very important when we're substituting it into the equation to solve. When we plug them in, this can be written as 2 pi over t. When we plug them in, it's very important to make this distinction between which one of these that we want to use. We can go ahead and solve, and with that, times 2 pi over t. With that, we are going to get 500 times 2 squared times 2 times pi divided by 10 seconds. And because they want kilograms, my answer was left in grams. So obviously kilograms is just times 10 to the negative 3. We have our answer as B.